Okay, time to say goodbye to this lovely, wonderful room. Thank you for hosting me for the last 10 days. अच्छा रूम था बट टू लिव हियर फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म पॉसिबल नहीं होता, बहुत छोटा रूम है ये. नाउ इट इज़ 9:58. आवर कैब इज़ ऑन द वे. तो श्रमन एंड आई आर गोइंग टुगेदर. देखते हैं अभी नीचे, सामान सब नीचे रख दिया. Hello sir, good morning.
Making a vlog?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Will you watch?
Make me inside the vlog.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. No problem. Bring everything, whatever you have. Yeah.
Call me once. Hello sir,
Yeah.
welcome to the vlog.
It will be 20 pounds altogether. Okay.
20.
Yeah.
Okay.
Clive Booth हो जाए.
Clive Booth Postgraduate Center.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean. Where are you from, sir?
Me?
Yeah.
Calcutta.
अरे
Oh,
क्या बात
I'm
है?
Bengali. Okay.
Nice.
You from Bangladesh?
No,
Bengal. Achha.
I'm from India, but my ancestors are from Bangladesh.
Oh, how many years have you been?
20 years.
Oh wow.
20 years now.
20 years.
Since 2001.
Oh.
Long time. 5 years in London
Okay.
and 15 years now in Oxford.
Wow. So you have to subscribe to my channel
Yeah?
and watch my vlogs of my student life in UK. That's me.
There you go.
Thank you.
How many subscriptions you have?
I have hidden the subscriptions because I don't want to think too much about it. I'm just at 200. I reached 200 today. Like 200 subscribers.
Yeah.
Because I'm not that consistent earlier. I wasn't that consistent. But now in the UK I'm making like every day. Just vlogs. Hopefully I'll grow.
So what do you need? Just the stick?
Yeah, I just need this.
Uh-huh.
And I have an iPhone and a mic for like a little better audio.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, thank you so much. क्या मस्त रूम है. वेलकम होम. वाह, एकदम मस्त रूम है. दिस इज द व्यू. It's okay. I'll just get settled in अभी. So I guess this is home for 1 year. Really nice room. I'm really impressed. It's like staying in a small hotel apartment sort of a thing. I need to figure out का चीज़ें क्या कहाँ है. दिस इज़ द मेन रोड. इधर से सब एंट्री हो रहे थे, हम लोग भी इधर से आए और इधर पार्क किया था. एंड रियली स्पेशियस रूम मैन. नाउ फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, मुझे आज बाहर जाके इसकी शॉपिंग करनी है. आई नीड टू गेट अ पिलो, बेड शीट, ब्लैंकेट. फॉर द टाइमिंग एक है मेरे पास. और सो हैप्पी टू बी इन दिस रूम. तो मैंने अपना सामान सब इधर रख दिया है. ये सब खाने की चीज़ है, ये और ये मैंने यूज़ किया है अभी के लिए, फिर बाद में देखा जाएगा. एंड और मैं ये सब रखा है. इधर पैन और दैट्स इट.
A few inches later.
Just heading to the campus now to get our BRP cards, which is like the most important thing.
Biometric residence permit.
Yeah. And the walk to the campus from our accommodation is really nice. मस्त ऐसा नेचर के बीच में से वॉक है. सुबह सुबह मस्त कार्डियो. Okay, so this is the main campus. There's a co-op on the campus. Co-op is like supermarket, which is really convenient. So now we are at the mall at Primark. We need to get some beddings.
I have my bedding.
Yeah, we as in me and Addison. That's Addison, that's his dad.
I need to get some other stuff.
Sign that there is a bump there.
Oh, this
Speed breaker.
double white thing?
The double white thing, and there's a speed breaker there.
Oh,
They have to slow down there.
okay. Everything here is quite aesthetically made. Houses, buildings. We just saw some old architecture on the way. It's really
Hogwarts spots.
he spotted some.
Bombay. Have you been to Bombay?
Yeah.
Same type of art.
South Bombay is like this only.
Yeah.
So he knew some spots, Hogwarts spots.
Yeah.
We'll probably check that out next time in
Yeah.
the coming future. Oh, nice. So the biggest culture shock for me right now in a mall is people are getting their pets, their dogs, which I haven't seen in India or in Dubai also. So got this soft touch washable duvet from John Lewis. Primark में available नहीं था, and got this pillow again from John Lewis because Primark में available नहीं था, and some hangers and a duvet set. आता राव. How's the जेवण? बरं होतं.
Yes.
Nice ramen.
Yeah, it was large quantities. Yeah,
There's a lot of it.
yeah too much
Yeah.
for one person.
Later.
अभी जा रहा हूँ मैं लॉन्ड्री करने के लिए. पिछले 10 दिन की लॉन्ड्री. देखते हैं क्या सिस्टम है लॉन्ड्री का. तो मैंने जस्ट रियलाइज़ किया आई डोंट हैव वॉशिंग अप लिक्विड लॉन्ड्री का. तो अब वो ऑर्डर करके या तो अभी या तो कल ऐसे कुछ करना पड़ेगा. फेल एफ इन द चैट्स. हे गाइस, तो अभी ये वाला व्लॉग मैं यहीं पे एंड कर देता हूँ क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी थक चुका हूँ. और कल मैं और हम लोग पुणे से जो कुछ फ्रेंड्स आए, वी आर गोइंग फॉर अ पार्टी इन द नाइट. We'll also get to see the night life scene of Oxford tomorrow. Now that I am officially done with quarantine, I can move out and explore things. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Till then, peace out.